morning, I'm Al.
And I'm Stacy. Welcome back.
This is kind of an unusual thing for us. We don't get a lot of snow here. We're only 30 miles from the beach, and this is kind of strange with our low elevation, but welcome to our snowy white world. We've had a lot going on lately, a lot of changes, and been pretty busy. And I broke the GoPro, a month or so back trying to make a video, and we finally got a new one. So
here we are again.
Here we are.
We just finished calving. Our last heifer just had her first baby, so that was good.
Yeah, we had 7 first-time heifers. Didn't have a single problem with any of them, so that was really good.
It was great.
Our first calf had a little bit of white on its face. All the rest of them were black, except for the last calf, which also had a little bit of white on its face. So that was kind of cool. Both of those came out of baldy cows. So
yep.
So yeah, that was good. What else? We've got your job.
My job, yes. I have changed jobs a couple of different times, and just not being able to make ends meet. So we finally settled me into a job working at a doctor's office. So that's kind of nice. I'm a receptionist now.
We kind of believe it was a God thing, really.
Absolutely.
She needed to start the one new job, and that led her into the other new job. And so it was just a stair step, and worked out really good. It
was really good. And then we've got our pigs. They're being ready to...
Yeah, they are almost, it's almost butcher time for them.
Yeah.
This is the 2nd day of March. Happy birthday, Mom. And their butcher date is the 14th of March. And so that's awesome. They're getting big and fat and
pushy.
Yep, they're pigs. And but they're doing really, really well, and we're excited to get some fresh pork chops and bacon and sausage, and yeah, we're excited for that.
Yeah.
We've had so much rain. Everything's just been sloppy wet all the time. People joke at work if I'm leaving any mud in the field or if I'm just taking it all to work on my pickup. But we've got stuck a few times and crashed into a few trees.
But nobody was hurt.
Yep.
Even the pickup remained unhurt by the whole thing. So everything has been going pretty well, really, considering.
Other than our farm work here, we also are working on getting our house ready to sell in Almsville.
Right. That has been a huge chore, but we have some wonderful friends.
Oh, man. Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
Alan and Kelly, thank you so much. Brett and Jenny,
Kyle.
My gosh. Who else?
Rhonda came over. We've had Will came over to help us.
Yep.
There's just been so many people that have rallied around us and helped us so that we could get this house off of our shoulders.
We should be there this weekend, but we had the snowstorm coming in here, and we knew that we didn't want to get stuck away if it got really bad. So that's kind of our update.
Yeah.
I can't think of anything else. The steers that are behind us, they are our steers that we'll be butchering in June. And I got to get a hold of our people on that see who wants to buy them. But everything's been going pretty good.
Yeah, I think we're doing well.
Really busy. And then after the camera broke
But we're going to get our stuff set up again and the camera's running again so that we can update you guys a little more frequently.
Stacy doesn't know that we have a drone that's supposed to be delivered today, so we can get some awesome footage.
That is going to be so great for you guys.
Yeah. So anyway, we really appreciate those of you that have stuck with us. I know we haven't had any footage or any recent posts, but we'll get this out to you, and we just really appreciate all of our followers, and thank you so much.
Thank you guys, and have a great March.
Have a great March, and hopefully the saying is true that it's in like a lion and out like a lamb, because this is definitely like a lion. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.
Okay, bye.